Hi everyone! Welcome to Garden Time with Miss Rebecca. Today's topic is how to make orange bird feeders. Yesterday, we learned how to make a simple bird feeder from a toilet paper roll. Today, we are going to make another kind of bird feeder to hang in our yard to attract birds. We are going to be making bird feeders with an orange. For this activity, you will need birdseed, an orange, vegetable fat like Crisco, twine, string, or yarn, a knife and cutting board, measuring cups, a mixing bowl, and spoons. Now that we have all of our supplies gathered, we are ready to make our orange bird feeders. Follow along. Step 1. Place 1 cup of birdseed in the mixing bowl, and then melt 1/2 cup of vegetable fat in the microwave. Step 2. Pour the melted vegetable fat over the birdseed and mix together. Step 3. Cut your orange in half and scoop out the inside flesh. Step 4. Cut 2 pieces of twine and poke a hole through each orange half. Step 5. String the twine through the holes you made in each orange half and tie the ends in a knot. Step 6. Fill the orange halves with the birdseed mixture we made earlier and let them dry overnight. Step 7. Hang your new orange bird feeders outside. Now we know how to make our own orange bird feeders. Tune in tomorrow, and remember to take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and take care of your plants. Bye for now.